Hey, turn Dwayne Hopson here again with another legal tip. Today's tip is not so legal, but it has a lot to do with what I do every day. We do a lot of personal injury, car accident cases, and I just want to talk to you guys about insurance coverages real quick. And I got a couple tips about that and which coverages you should have to make sure you're straight in the event that you're in a car accident and the other person doesn't have an insurance. And even if you was in a car accident, and even if you was at fault, what coverages you should have to make sure that you better get another car and possibly get your bills paid. Everybody, hates paying their car insurance. I hate paying my car insurance, but it's great to have it when you need it. And when shopping car insurance, you often hear about full coverage and just liability. And real quick, I just want to talk to you guys what the different types of those are. Of course, liability is only required in the state of Mississippi. Liability is if you get in an accident and it's your fault, so you got liability insurance, so the other side will be able to sue you for damages, and liability will cover those damages. And that way, if you got insurance, you have liability, they get sued. Your car insurance company will handle that, and you don't have to worry about getting a judgment against you because your car insurance should be able to handle that. If you don't have liability insurance and there's a lot of damages, the car insurance company may come out to you directly since you didn't have insurance, and you can end up with a huge judgment on you. So at bare minimum, it's always good to have liability. Also, you won't get no ticket because you got liability insurance. Next thing, uninsured motors. I tell everybody, get uninsured motors, especially if you are in the Mississippi Delta. You know why? A lot of people in the Delta don't have car insurance. Get uninsured motors. If you're in an accident and you're not at fault and the other person does not have car insurance, but you have uninsured motors coverage, you will be good. Uninsured motors coverage will cover your medical expenses, and you are good. This has saved a lot of my customers when they come to me for a car accident. And we do an uninsured motors claim, and they receive thousands of dollars for their injuries. Okay, I'm about to talk about the next two things you usually see on a car insurance policy, especially if you get full coverage: collision and comprehensive insurance. Collision and comprehensive insurance, you do not get paid for any medical bills or medical damages or injuries. These deal more with your car. If you have collision insurance, you have an accident, no matter who's at fault, you'll pay a deductible and you'll get a new car, or your car gets repaired. And sometimes just having collision insurance, you have like $2,000 damages. Sometimes they just write you the check directly minus your deductible, and it's up to you if you want to get your bumper fixed or not. You just put it in your pocket. But definitely, if you can afford it, and I say if you got a car that's worth at least $5,000, maybe $6,000, get collision insurance. In the accident, you better get your car fixed, and or if it gets totaled, you better get a new car. Comprehensive, that's like if you hit a deer. Again, comprehensive or collision does not cover medical expenses. So if you hit a deer, you will not be able to get any money for injuries, but you better get a new car or your car fixed. So comprehensive is good too. Also, I think it's covered. If your car gets stolen, you better get comprehensive insurance. I think gap insurance, that's like you got a car loan and if the car gets totaled and you owe more than what your car is worth, they'll pay your car off. Gap is up to you. I don't have it, but if you want it, that's fine. But another important thing that a lot of people don't understand, that option that you get is something called med pay or medical payments. This is great to have. If you don't do collision or comprehensive, let's say you got an old cheap car like me, get uninsured, get liability, and get med pay. Medical payments, they allow you to get an amount of money regardless who is at fault. If that's not right, somebody correct me if I'm wrong, but to the best of my knowledge, med pay pays out anytime you have an accident and you gotta go to the hospital. Usually the amount is small, between $1,000 to $5,000. You can select in your plan. $1,000 to $5,000 is really not that small when you don't have any money, so med pay is great. To sum it up, like I said, you want to have to really protect you at a bare minimum liability, uninsured motorist, and med pay. I would recommend getting collision if you got a car that's like over $5,000, and comprehensive if you got a car that's like over five, especially if you live around a lot of deers or people steal cars like in Memphis. But I hope they helped you all out. Nobody ever really explained car insurance to me. I had to learn it on my own like everybody else. And now I'm just finally understanding it. I'm like 29 years old, almost 30, and practicing law. So if you was confused about car insurance, I hope that helps you. And also that I hope that helps you on what kind of car insurance you need if you want to make sure you're good if you're in an accident and you get injuries and also your car gets damaged. All right, I hope y'all have a great day. And oh yeah, gotta tell myself, we do a lot of car accidents. So you in a car accident, you know, a friend or family member in a car accident, 18 with an accident, just holler us at Hopson Law Group, and our website is hopsonlawfirm.net, and our phone number is 662-624-4100, 662-624-4100. All right, see y'all later. Bye.